Hello my crochet friends, this is Lady Jenna and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn to crochet the foundation chain and the first row single crochet together. And this is called a chainless foundation. Let's get to it. This is what we're going to be crocheting. You have your foundation row, which is on the bottom, and also your single crochet row, which is on top. This is how the other side looks like. And this is the front side. One of the reasons why you want to do this is to save some time. The first thing you do is you do a slip knot. Like this. And then you chain two. 1, 2. One thing you need to know about a stitch is how it's made. So you've got your 2 loops on the front, and on the back you have your back bumps. Now on the second chain from loop 1, 2, grab the second loop from the chain, and also you need to grab the back bump, the loop and the bump. The other loop is right there, so you need to grab the loop and the bump. Yarn over, pull through. Next you're going to yarn over and pull through 1 loop. This will create another chain for your foundation chain, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops to create that single crochet. Then we start over. We go to this loop, and you're going to include the back bump. So into that loop, and also don't forget to grab that back bump, yarn over, pull through the back bump and the loop. Now we have to do our foundation chain. Yarn over into 1 loop for the foundation chain, and then yarn over into both loops to create the single crochet. And then we start over. You go to this loop plus the back bump, into the loop, plus don't forget to grab the back bump, and yarn over through the loop and the back bump, yarn over through the first loop for the foundation chain, yarn over through both loop to create your single crochet, and then you continue. As you practice, you're going to be faster and faster. And try to keep the tension the same. This is why you would need to practice this, because let's do it one more time. So it's going to be this loop and the back bump, the loop, and then make sure to look for that back bump right there. That's another loop. Into your work, pull through both the back bump and the loop, yarn over, pull through 1 to create the chain, yarn over into both loops to create your single crochet, and go ahead and keep on going. This will create your foundation chain and your first single crochet row. I hope they enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have yourself a great day. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye.